Hey guys, as always, thanks for tuning in. One question I often get is how do I set a default marquee for my Pixelcade? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that.
So first thing, very important, you need to make sure the Pixelcade listener is running. So you'll see a little icon here that looks like this and says Pixelcade listener. So that's really important. It won't work without that. So then go over here, go to your program files and look for an icon called Browse Artwork. And that's basically going to open a browser that looks like this. Now, if you happen to be on a Linux machine, then this will still work. Basically, instead of localhost, you would replace this with the IP address of your Raspberry Pi, or this will even work on an Act Games Legends machine. Just put in the IP address here, whatever it is. Make sure you have the :8080, and then you actually don't need this part, just hit enter. So since I'm doing this on my local machine, I'm just going to go localhost, and this is going to come up. So once you're here, go ahead and go over to Arcade. Actually, it doesn't matter. You can go to Arcade, Marquees, or Animations. And so here's existing artwork. And so if you hit Display, for example, that will display it on Pixelcade. And then if you hit Save, that will actually write it to the SD card on the Pixelcade board, and that will become your default animation or single image marquee. And so what we're going to do in this video is show you how to do your own custom artwork. So what you would do is you just go here, choose File. And in this example, one of the requests I get a lot is actually for sports marquees, like maybe your favorite NFL team. And so what we've done is we've added a few. So if you browse to your Pixelcade folder, so I'm going to go in my case right here. And if you go down to the sports folder, we've added a few in the latest Pixelcade LED artwork update. So if you run the LED artwork updater, you can see these. And so let's say, for example, I want to do Chicago Bulls. So I'm just going to click this one. I'm going to hit Bulls, and then you want to hit Upload. Okay, and then go back to Marquees, and these are all alphabetical. So you can save yourself some time. Just do Control F, search on Bulls, and it's right there. So once you've got it, just simply hit Save and just give it about a second, and then that will update automatically on your Pixelcade.
Now the way the default marquee works is it will play when the Pixelcade listener isn't running. So if I launch the Pixelcade listener, then this is just going to go back into normal arcade mode like you're used to. It'll go here, you then launch Hyperspin or Big Box, whatever your front end is, and that controls Pixelcade. If I kill the Pixelcade listener, then it's back to your default marquee. So that's how the default marquee works. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, just drop a comment. Thanks again.